Today, you guys, we got 2 slabs of spare ribs. I'm gonna be doing the cookout for Labor Day weekend, but today we're gonna prep the meat. Cut off some of this excess fat here. And cut some of this fat down. Leave some of it because some of it will render. Flip it over and do that side. This little flap here, you can cut it off. Get more nice uniform shape. To these are spare ribs, I'm gonna cut it down to the competition style St. Louis ribs here. Well, we can save this one for later. And cutting little cartilage here off the end. Get more squared up. Make that St. Louis cut, competition style. Just come down to that, use that third bone there. Down now, right there. I'm still gonna cook that. You come out with that longest bone here. And cut that real tip off. And we're gonna still cook that rib tip. I like St. Louis cut, competition style. Square it up there. Let's mark the edge here, square it up. Now we're gonna get this piece of paper towel. Some people like the membrane, some people take them off. And I like taking the membrane off. Paper towel is the easiest way to pull it off. Some of them are easy to put it off with paper towels, and some of them ain't. Depends on what type of cut of meat it is. Like cutting a little bit, so a little fat up a little bit. Yeah, that'll be. That was ready to go. All right, now it's time to put the meat in the marinade. I got some mango juice in here. So put these rib tips in there. So I like use mango juice as a marinade. Just put these ribs in there. Let it soak down in there. Add some cilantro into it. It's a little more flavor to it. Yeah, put a lid on it, airtight. Stick it in the refrigerator for 2 days. I do a maximum of 2 days. You can do it for 2 hours. You can do it for 24 hours, but I get more fall off the bone meat when I soak it for 2 days. All right, guys, it's been 2 days since we put it in the fridge on marinade. Now we're gonna pat them dry. Take paper towel and pat them dry real good. Get all that moisture out of there. Flip them over, do the other side. Now we're gonna spritz them with olive oil. And put my rub on there. Now you see it's in a ranch bottle, but this is my specialty here. A rub that I made myself. Secret ingredients I can't tell you. Sprinkle them on generously. Not too heavy. Flip it over to the other side. Spray this side. Yeah, this is where we want that good bark on. So rub that in there. Putting this on a little bit more heavier than the back side. Get them sides real good. Get this side. Now I've got the grill out there getting up the temp to 250. Cook them low and slow. We're gonna cook them for 4 hours. And every hour I'm gonna check on it and spritz it with water. Right now I got the rub on here. I'm gonna let it soak in for about 30 minutes and then put it on the grill. All right, guys, we got it up the temp. We're putting these ribs on here. Make room for these rib tips here. Now we'll close it up and let it get back up to temp and check it on it about an hour. Guys, been an hour. Ready to spritz it. Keep it moist. Some mango juice on here. Alright, come back and check it about another hour. Alright guys, been another hour. See, it's getting a little dry. Let's spray it again. Yeah, I hear that sizzle, so it's gonna be good in a little while. Close it back up, give it about another hour. Alright guys, they're ready to come out. And get them in the house and wrap them up. Wrap them up. Put some honey on here. Put a little more of my rub on here. Spray some more of my mango juice. And put the top side down. And spray a little bit more. Soak it up. With some more rub on the back side. Get it soaked up good, wrap it up. Unless it makes it fall off the bone now. And get these wrapped up back on the smoker for another hour. And we'll be ready to eat. I'm back at the smoker, we got them all wrapped up. Just lay them in here. I put these in here. Put them on the top rack. We're gonna put the baked beans down here. Let these go for another hour. In 4 hours, taking these ribs, I had scattered them because they was already done. See, that good bend in there means they're done. Ready to fall off the bone. Look at that. Got them rib tips. They're done. And look at that. Yeah. And the baked beans are done. Let's get them in the house and cut them open. Guys, got them inside. I'm wrapping them. Yeah, look at that. See there? See what I talk about that falling off the bone? You can take every last bone off of this and have one slab of meat. That's how you do smoked ribs on the Pit Boss.
Yes, sir.
Get ready to cut this thing open. Alright, see there? I'm gonna cut them open now. See, slice like butter. And get this one right here. You see some good smoked rings and juices coming out. That's how you like it. That's how you do it. So I got my boy Al here doing a collaboration with me. We're gonna take a taste test of this stuff. Look at that bite through right there. That good little smoked ring, nice and juicy. Like another Labor Day weekend. Put that down in the bank.
Yes, sir.
I'll grab one there.
Let me get up here right. Let me get on this end piece right here.
I want to eat this. I want to eat some.
Tastes like Alabama.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put your foot in this.
So I don't know. That's how you do it. If you like these videos, you like seeing some more ribs like this, please like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up for me.